describe about what's the meaning of mu'minun, but I read this ayah. Aya hii nimeisoma, nataka ni oanishe kati ya hii aya na hujjatul Islam wal Muslimin, mwalimu wetu na mwalimu wa watu wote Sheikh Jawad Naqvi hafidhahullah.
He says he doesn't want to go into details what does the believers mean in this ayah, but he is trying to explain you that these believers, like, because Allah is shahid, yani watching you, then the Prophet is watching you and the believers are watching you. Who are the believers? But he says what he has seen in Agha Jawad is one of the tafsir, you can say, of these believers.
Baada ya kwenda Pakistan na kukaa na Sheikh Jawad maybe 10 days, when I came back to my country, somebody asked me about what did you see there in Lahore. I told them that in Lahore I saw Imam Khomeini is working alive. Somo la wilayatul faqih nimesoma darasa ya kwanza kusini mwa Lebanon mwaka 1996.
First time he started learning about wilayatul faqih was in 1996 in Lebanon.
Now, after that also I continue to study in our house there, the same article and the same system of wilaya, but I say that when I went to Lahore and to meet Urwatul Wuthqa and to meet with Sheikh Jawad, I can say that nilijua wilaya mpya, sio wilaya niliyosoma kule kusini mwa Lebanon.
Mashallah. He's saying the theory which he had studied in Lebanon on wilaya, and when he went to and visited Agha Urwatul Wuthqa in Lahore, he saw different wilaya. The theory and what was in practice was totally different. How serious?
Sahi. Nilimpata, I saw Sheikh Jawad that not is talking only about wilaya. I saw that he is wilaya. Niliona kwake takwa ile ile niliyoiona kwa Imam Khomeini.
He saw the same taqwa in Sheikh Jawad, what was in Imam Khomeini.
Niliona akhlaq wa Sheikh Jawad hafidhahullah, akhlaq na mienendo is action ile ile ya Imam Khomeini.
Again, what he saw in Sheikh Jawad, the way he was acting and the way he was involved in the activities of Urwatul Wuthqa, is same what he saw in Imam Khomeini.
Sometimes I ask myself, when I was there, I ask myself, Imam Khomeini, he was a lot activities. He met people, he make a speech, and also he write books, and also he get time to sit with his family and also to teach his wife. So vitu vyote hivi yana,
how it is possible?
Yes. So the same thing I see to Sheikh Jawad.
You understood it? All of you.
Na jambo la kufurahisha kwa kweli ambalo mimi ni jambo la kuliiga kwa kweli ambalo ilikuwa ni darasa kubwa sana kwangu, ni Sheikh Jawad hafidhahullah alivyoweza kulea watoto. Na hiki ni kitu ambacho kinanifanya mimi nimuone Sheikh Jawad kama vile Imam Khomeini.
The biggest what you call benefit which he has seen after visiting Urwatul Wuthqa And what he saw in Agha Jawad was that Agha Jawad, he is not only giving ilm to the students of Urwat al-Wuthqa, not only knowledge, but he is also giving tarbiyah, which he has never seen anywhere. This is what he is saying, that he has never seen, and he was surprised how he can manage to do all this.
Na mimi naamini kwamba ushindi wa Imam Khomeini na tofauti ya movement ya Imam Khomeini na movement nyingine kama vile Ikhwanul Muslimin au FIS au movement nyingine, naona tofauti ni hapa. Tofauti ni namna gani fikra ambayo unaibeba unawalea watu na fikra hiyo. Do you understand what I say?
Unasema kwamba the movement
the different thing that I see.
There are so many movements.
Yeah, a lot of movements.
But
Brotherhood, Muslim Brotherhood.
Yeah, like Muslim Brotherhood, like FIS, but
they don't have proper ideology.
Yeah,
Which they can follow. So that's why there was always a failure. But what he sees in Imam Khomeini is different. He has an ideology, and he is a leader who has a firm,
amelea watu. Nataka kwenye kulea.
He did tarbiyah of the people. That is why when he called them, they said labbaik, and they came in the field.
You see, this is, I see, is something that I see that Sayyid Jawad, inshallah, I ask Allah and I pray for Allah, but I see the future for him, because not he has idea, no, he has idea and
implementation.
You see,
Practically.
Yeah, practically, yeah. So this is hii ndio pointi ya ushindi wa Imam al-Khomeini, na ndio alivyo Sayyid Jawad Mungu.
This was the biggest victory of Imam Khomeini, and he prays that even Sayyid Jawad should get the same victory.
Kwa hivyo nasema kwamba kwa kweli Sayyid Jawad, a lot maybe scholars in Pakistan, or also me and another sheikh or another people, maybe up to now we don't know who is Sayyid Jawad. This that I can say, but Sayyid Jawad is something value, I think. Something value.
Unique.
Unique. There's something I see that not he can change Pakistan. I think he can change the world. This is my believers, and this is my true that I haven't anything to say with Jawad, but maybe if you know Swahili, maybe we'll use the 3 hours, 4 hours to talk only about 10 days that I was there. And meeting with Jawad, I write in my diary 300 points from his time.
Jawad's talks. When Sayyid Jawad was talking to him for all these 10 days, he used to note down everything what he's saying. And up to now his diary is there, and he refers to those points whenever
kuna kipindi ninakaa nazipitia zile ndivyo.
It's not only he has written, but there is a time when he goes through the points again, just to refresh himself.
Kwa kweli ashkurukum.
He is thanking you all.
I thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, I thank you very much.
سيدي يا ابن الحسيني، نحن أبناء الخميني. سيدي يا ابن الحسيني، نحن أبناء الخميني، وهدفنا للولاء لعلي الخامنائي. إنها كل الحكاية، نحن عشاق الولاية.